So my experience now is in talent acquisition, we need to really be very fast. The competition is very fierce.
Mm-hmm.
And I think what made it like that is technology. We have now virtual recruiting.
Yes.
There's
Yeah.
a wider way of getting talents. We go global now, and even the onboarding is digital. Sourcing is different now. Like we source not just to the before it was just newspaper, and then you go
Right.
campus recruitment.
Newspapers, my goodness.
Yeah, remember Bulletin Today?
Of
You had
course,
those
yeah.
posted. But now it's different. Now social networking is very important if you are a good talent acquisition person.
Mhm.
In screening, you have to upskill. Like there's AI, and you have to, agentic AI. It
Mhm.
won't be there to help you. You have to prompt, no. So you have to be good in AI skill if you're a talent acquisition person these days.
Right.
Hybrid work is also fully embraced now. If we don't do that in Mondelez in our company, we will lose our talents. For example, finance. If we don't allow hybrid work, or if we don't allow remote work to be specific, we will lose them not to our competitors, but even to global organizations, because
Right.
they can deliver when even they are at home. So
Right.
I
Right.
think that's a big change, no, in what we are experiencing when we want to attract talents.